Hey you, I'm Sarah Turner. I'm a freelance medical copywriter and copywriting mentor, and I want to tell you what they don't tell you about making money online. So, first things first, we are incredibly fortunate to live in a time where it is pretty dang easy to start an online business. With that in mind, sometimes people jump in a little bit over their head, don't do enough research, and they can find themselves in some tricky situations. So, let's talk about what it means to create an online business. And there are a lot of different options out there. I like to talk about copywriting because that's what I did, but there are so many different businesses you can create with not a lot of investment, and really the main thing is to just really develop a skill set. But so yeah, we're really fortunate to live in a time where that is a possibility for so many people, and I am extremely grateful to, be able to do that myself. But the thing is when you start an online business, you are joining a world and a technology that is constantly changing. So what that means is you have got to stay flexible and adaptable. And honestly, I think it's safe to say that you should assume that what is working today might not always work and isn't going to work in the future. And what that means is you just got to keep teaching yourself things. You got to be a forever student, staying flexible and adaptable, really developing your skill set and always making yourself better. And that is how you stay ahead of the game, and also how you're not like caught off guard or surprised. Because that's the thing, is if you are, especially in the copywriting world, copywriting is a skill that is constantly can be improved upon. I say that I'm a forever student. I'm always learning, I'm always growing, I'm always developing my craft. And the thing is I'm also really, really sure that what I was doing a year ago is probably not what I'm going to be doing a year from then. Because it's, again, the technology is changing, the landscape is changing, things are constantly in flux. So I just assume that I'm going to, if as long as I'm constantly improving my skill set, improving, just trying to be a better person, trying to be a better business owner, and I'm always, preparing myself while expecting things to change, then I will be in good shape. And again, what you are doing today that is working is likely not going to be what you're going to be doing tomorrow. So just keep an open mind and remind yourself that this is one of the things that I love most about having an online business, actually, is that I'm constantly getting to grow and develop, and so it never gets boring. So a couple of things I want to also remind you is that it's also hard work. If you're the kind of person who wants to get up and do the same exact thing every day, starting an online business is probably not for you. And there's nothing wrong with that. It isn't for everyone. But it isn't all butterflies and rainbows, And when it comes to looking for clients, especially as copywriters, you're going to have to probably kiss a few toads to find your prince. So keep that in mind. And the other thing is I have learned over the years that situations that maybe feel like rejection or they didn't work out how I wanted them to, they're always learning opportunities. And if you can just reframe things like that to be learning opportunities, or something that you can take away and apply to your business to make it better, like maybe you didn't charge enough, or maybe you worked with a client who was extremely difficult and it just wasn't worth it. All of those situations are learning experiences, and you take them, and as long as you integrate them into your business as you move forward, you'll continue to get better and refine what you do. That's the other thing that I want to throw out there is really take the time to put your values at the forefront of the decisions that you're making. Maybe it's not that important to you to make an insane amount of money. Maybe you want more freedom, To make sure that you're keeping that at the forefront of your mind so that you're not working 60 hours a week and then suddenly your business owns you rather than you owning your business. And that is something that can happen. It's really easy when you're first starting out to just take any and all work as it comes in because you're so excited and then also maybe a little desperate for the money. But keeping in mind like what it is, why you're doing this, your big why you started a business in the first place, that will inform your decisions so that you're really creating a business that you love. Because I cannot tell you the number of entrepreneurs I know where they've built a business and then they kind of didn't have that at the forefront of their mind and it just got carried away. and they had to make some serious changes. But it's always a learning opportunity. You're always going to keep growing. And honestly, if that is something that interests you, if you love to learn, if you love to figure things out, it is the most rewarding thing you can do for yourself is to start your own online business. So I hope that helps. Hang in there. It is a roller coaster for sure, but it is such a rewarding experience. Hit that thumbs up button if you like that. That's how I know you want to hear more things like this. And leave me some comments. I want to know, have you started an online business? Are you a copywriter? Did you start a different kind of online business? What did you start? Was it rewarding? Did you find the things that you were looking for? And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be releasing videos every week. Thanks, guys.